Beyond Bollywood, Third Eye South Asian Film Festival was held in San Francisco from November 6th through the 10th of 2013. Films from different parts of South Asia as well as UK and US were screened at the film festival.
बहुत से लाभ है जैसे कि मेरा नाम रोशन होगा, मेरे परिवार का नाम रोशन होगा।
दलित तो एक गरीबी से जो महिलाएं सताई जाती हैं, जो गरीब सताए जाते हैं, वही एक दलित। हमारा देश पुरुष प्रधान था। लड़के का कोई बहिष्कार नहीं करता, लड़कियों को करता है। लड़की पैदा हो गई तो लोगों को दुख, बहू आ गई काम नहीं किया तो दुख।
My guest today is Nishta Jain, a documentary filmmaker from India. Her film Gulabi Gang was screened at the festival. Here's a clip from the film Gulabi
तो
Gang.
लोगों को दुख, बहू आ गई काम नहीं किया तो दुख। और नारी नारी की ही दुश्मन है। सबसे ज्यादा नारियों के लिए ही ये संगठन बनाया गया है कि पहले नारी जागृत हों, इसलिए जरूरत थी कि गुलाबी गैंग बनना चाहिए, महिलाओं का एकता होना चाहिए और हर गांव में संगठन होना चाहिए, गांव नहीं बचना चाहिए। सब लोग अपनी अपनी डंडी रख के आराम से बैठिए गोलाई से सब, ठीक? और दूर दूर थोड़ी। तो कुंवारी दाई हंस खा के बैठ गई। तो सब पुरानी हमारी संगठन वाली हो कि कुछ नई भी जुड़ी।
Satpal is the person who founded Gulabi Gang.
सब लोग अपनी अपनी डंडी रख के आराम से बैठिए गोलाई से सब, ठीक? और दूर दूर थोड़ी। तो कुंवारी दाई हंस खा के बैठ गई। तो सब पुरानी हमारी संगठन वाली हो कि कुछ नई भी जुड़ी। सब पुरानी हो ना, हमें सभी जनती हो ना।
And here's my interview with Nishta Jain. We asked her what prompted her to make this documentary on Gulabi Gang.
But the fact that I understand the language and I understand the cultural context was a reason why I also made the film, despite so many. There have been other documentaries as well. I would say television documentaries, reportage, apart from Pink Saris. There is a kind of a gaze, of an outsider, which is looking at, and they're looking at it from their perspective, like a filmmaker from Britain or US is looking at this movement from the point of view of what the women's rights are in their own country. And I think it was important that your gaze starts from within there, that you're able to understand this movement from within their context and not from outside.
So it's an inside-out film.
Exactly, and that was the reason why I did it, despite a plethora of films or reportage on her.
And the documentary also shows the problems they have within the organization. I won't disclose the full story, but was Sampath Pal okay with that?
Totally. She saw the film in its premiere in Oslo, and she was totally fine with it. And that's what's so interesting about her, because I think she's bigger than all these things, and her movement is bigger than all these things. And if it's she's not afraid of a little bit of criticism, but that's also her personality. She's not scared of anyone. She's quite a brave woman. So she liked the film. She really enjoyed it. She saw it quite a few times in all the screenings. When you said that, how did Sampath react to the criticism? And I think instead of looking at it as like, oh, there's something bad out here, we have to look at it like more empathetically. It's so difficult to bring about change in a society which doesn't want change. So that's what the film is looking at. How do you? These are like challenges in front of this group, and they are from within that society. So how do you fight the very thing that you're part of? And that's what the film is about.
But you raise an important point. You said they don't want to bring about change, and yet Sampath Pal has got thousands of women wearing those pink saris. So obviously people do want change, but what is it about? Why is it that the change factor is not highlighted in media or anywhere else? And why do we have to see it through a movie? Do you know what I'm saying? How did Sampath Pal get thousands of people to follow her vision?
Exactly. I mean, she has 400,000 women as part of her membership, of Gulabi Gang. But we need to understand, these are not like full-time members just doing Gulabi Gang work. These are potential rallying numbers. And this strength is like called upon whenever it's needed. But obviously it's a sign. It's a sign that women want change. It's a sign. But it's not going to happen so quickly. Because one thing is wanting a change, and the other thing is having the ability to move away from your family, the community. How do you do that? You can only do that if you're economically independent, morally, you have moral support, you have friends to support you, which is not the case for, say, a woman trying to do that. But what is interesting is that Sampath Pal is able to do that. She has no support. She has no support system. She leaves her family. And she walks out with her 5 children, sets up a tea shop. So that she's one in a million kind of a person, and that's why she's inspirational. But the fact that she can do it, it's reflective of her own inner courage, and the fact that Mayawati can do it, or these women have done it. So sometimes it's weird that actually if a woman decides to just beat the system, she can. And so what's stopping people? And I found that really fascinating.
We wish you all the best, and thank you for talking to us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. We'll be back again, and we leave you with another clip from the film Gulabi Gang.
तो सबकी जरूरत है।
बराबर आप फोन भी कर देना, हम सबको लेके आएंगे। ऐसी बात नहीं, कोई जाए दबेगा नहीं।
बहन जी कह देना जिसको लठ से मारना तो उसके हम लठ से मारूंगी भोसड़ी के जहाँ हो। पकड़ा भर दे हो जिया है तो मैं मोहन के अमा झोर लाठी चले लगी है डंडा, मैं मार के फोड़ा रखो।
बसंती लाठी सीखे हो कि
हाँ लाठी में।
अच्छा एक जनी खड़ी हो जाओ, ए आओ चलो बसंती खड़ी हो जा, तुम भी खड़ी हो, 2 जने खड़ी हो, मैं देखो तो तुम्हारा लाठी कौन था ना। चलो निकिता नहीं, निकिता चलाओ, निकिता ना अच्छे से। अरे घूम के चलाओ ना, घूम आस ये साड़ी मानी गिर गया तो हाँ। अरे असली रुको, लड़ाई हम लड़